Welcome to Real Estate Investors Wealth Academy TV, sponsored by REI Wealth Academy.
What's going on, fellow investors? This is John Payne coming at you towards the end of January, and we're moving from the topic of the big why and moving into goal setting, part of the second secrets in REI Wealth Academy. The cool thing about moving from the big why to goal setting is how they actually interact with each other. And so that's kind of what I wanted to talk about, because we're in kind of this transition period to moving into February to really dig into goal setting and really starting to plot out what it is you want to do for your real estate investing experience and how you want to change your life through real estate investing. So we have to understand the big why, but then as we move forward, we then can start putting down specific goals that are going to get us to that next place that we need to be. It's going to tell us today what it is we need to do, what we need to do next week, what we need to do next month, and it's going to give us things to shoot for as we go through. But one of the big things you need to understand is how the big why and goal setting interact with each other. And the first thing is with the big why is your goal setting is the discipline to the big why. And what I mean by that is you have this big, possibly a nebulous idea of what it is you want. It's a big pie in the sky, but it's something that really moves you in your core to be able to go do. But how you actually play that out, how you actually live out the value of that big why you have for yourself is to set the action steps in the goals that you need to accomplish. And it takes discipline. It takes having something to do towards that every day. The second thing I would say about discipline is having the discipline to put it to paper. You've already put it to paper or some visual or some auditory way for you to listen to the big why, to be reminded of it every single day as a daily discipline. But now that you've put it to paper, you also want to move over into the section of writing down your goals. Once you write down your goals, I want you to go a step further and attach whatever goal you have, attach that goal to why you're doing it in the first place. You might even want to talk about why you go to your job today to get something done. Even if it's a job you don't like, why are you doing that job today that is a positive benefit to your life? Now, you might be doing the job today to fund your real estate investing, to get your 10 mortgage loans that you need from Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac to be able to build out a $5,000 a month income to replace the current income you have. Just keep in mind the positivity that comes from even something you may not necessarily like, that it is being driven towards a specific goal. It is being geared towards your big why, even if it's not necessarily something that you see yourself doing to achieve your big why. So that's all I wanted to talk about real quick, moving from the big why now as we transition into the goal setting for February. Stay tuned. Make sure you go to reiwealthacademy.com. Check us out on Facebook and on Twitter, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Decide today you don't want to take a back seat. Finally break your financial life cycle. Learn more now at www.reiwealthacademy.com.